Thank you. Dad. Daddy.
What's been called this, not
We do the sidewalk around the building. Then we'll just have to catch it in if we come down to the side. Yeah. That muddy road, whatever.
You know I gotta get my content.
right on that.
Hello, besties. It's your girl Sierra back with another.
Look, there's a building right there.
If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back, besties. So
Now,
yesterday was our little travel day. We are in Detroit, Michigan for the weekend, 4th of July weekend. I didn't really vlog yesterday because we mostly just got here. We went to Culver's, as you guys saw, and after that we checked into the hotel. We went to go see my aunt and uncle, and then we went to get dinner. That was it. So today is our first full day here, and we just got downtown, like the downtown area, I guess. I don't know. To the Motown house.
Used to paying $400. Right. Just go ahead and knock the $600 out. I'll be done for 6 months. I didn't worry about the 100.
There are a good amount of people already out here, like taking pictures and stuff like that. I'm excited. This is what I wanted to come for. This is what I wanted, though.
That's right there. That's the glass right here.
This is what they're building and what it's gonna be like. This is what it looks like right now.
But the building is back there.
So the building's just gonna be behind it, right here.
The building is right here, that big thing back there.
Wow! Okay, besties, so we took pictures and stuff. Now we're about to go into the store. Like, I guess their gift shop or something, I don't know. But that's where we're going now. Okay, besties, so right now we're at Mission's Barbecue. Look at me and mommy. Mom, it's a video. You're over here posing. So we just ordered our food. Whoa. Ooh, they got that good ice. So now we have to just like wait for them to bring it to us, I think. I don't know. This is my food.
Oh, I guess I'm looking for a southern like taste.
Right now, besties, we are at the lake. Mommy, this is the lake.
We can wander around for a little bit.
I don't know where my brother went.
He went to the Porta John.
Oh, bless his heart.
Well, you know, they use them on the job site all the time.
But yeah, we're just out here at the lake. Oh, we can use the little things and look far away. I'm about to look into one of these, y'all, and see what we can see. The heck? I don't see nothing. Am I looking out the wrong way? Oh, the water is super close. Maybe if I take my glasses off. Ooh, nothing. It's just like the water zoomed in, pretty much. Yeah. I don't know. I didn't look it up. Oh, Okay. There's my brother and there's my dad. I didn't shift it up though, Daddy. All I could see was water.
Yep, it's the blue water bridge. Exactly.
And there's people out here swimming and stuff. Besties. It is later in the day. Hi, Dad. Say hi to the besties.
What's up, besties?
Oh, I thought I saw a rainbow. We are at Hook and Reel Cajun seafood and bar. Get some grub, some dan. It's loud. Oh wow. Menu. Y'all, they're playing music in here. I don't know. Yeah, the DJ's over there sitting. We ordered our food. I got the mini boil, so I'm gonna show it to y'all when the food comes.
Got like live seconds in a group chat. Oh, I am.
Y'all should took that picture and sent it to Louise.
Thank you.
Just the men doing walls.
Ooh. Good morning, besties. It is the next day. Today is Saturday, 4th of July, whatever. So I am ironing. I'm gonna iron my clothes and iron brother's clothes because yesterday brother ironed my clothes and his clothes. So today's my day. And my parents are getting dressed across the hall as well. It's like already 11 something, and the cookout apparently, well, I think they got the shelter at 10 o'clock this morning, but who is gonna go out at 10 o'clock and be out at the park all day? Don't really got time for that. So we're just gonna go, we're trying to leave here around, it was 12, but it's already like 11:15, so we're definitely not leaving by 12. Maybe like 12:30, 1 o'clock. I don't know. But I'm ironing my clothes first. And then brother's clothes. Do y'all want a room tour? Because our room is huge. I'll give y'all a room tour. Okay, besties. So this is our front door. When you come in. And you go over here. And you have hooks for like jackets and stuff, I guess. And over on this side we have a sink with our coffee maker and blah blah blah. And then the fridge is in here. And there's a microwave and more storage down there. Then you turn, it's a little messy because we've already been in here for 2 days, of course. But we have this little section right here, and with more hooks. And we have a full body mirror. There's me. Then we have our living room. This is the living room area. Just like a couch, a lamp, a window. And then we have chair, table, TV right here. And this is the whole living room. It's a pretty nice size. Oh, and then there's a chair over there. Then you go over here and we have like our bathroom area. And there's a closet right here with extra blankets and hangers. It's actually a pretty nice size closet. Our vanity mirror. And then we have like our hygiene stuff right here. And this is where the towels and stuff, extra toilet tissue is. And then we have our bathroom, which is nice because it comes with like shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. I mean, we haven't been using that, but you know, little decoration, toilet, closet. Oh, and over here there's hand soap and lotion. Now this I use, yes. I love this mirror. So cute. Okay, and then when you come over on this side, we have our bed against the wall. This is my bed right here. And then we have a window right there for more lighting. And then we have a nightstand. And this cute little lamp. It's like this side, and then this side has its own switch as well. So yeah, that is all. So besties, we're dressed. This is my outfit. Well, I'm not wearing my Crocs, but this is my outfit. We are about to go to Culver's. It's like basically, it's right there, less than a minute away. My parents want us to pick up some stuff to snack on before we go to the cookout, because you know when you go to cookouts and stuff, sometimes the food takes a little second to actually be ready. So we're not gonna show up anywhere hungry. Me and brother are going to go pick up the food, and then we'll be back because my parents are still getting dressed and we're already dressed, so that's why they're sending us.
Can I do a water to drink and ranch and honey mustard for dipping sauce? And that'll be all.
Any ketchup or cheese sauce in the bag?
Yes please, plenty.
Our table is clean. The wind is picking up, y'all, and it's probably about to rain because the clouds are like, on here you can't tell, but the clouds are darker. So we cleaned our table. Now we just need to get my dad so that we can go, because I'm ready to go, brother's ready to go. I'm sure my mom is ready to go, but she hasn't said anything, so. We're downtown, besties. We just got here. We're right in front of the Tiger Stadium. Right here. I'm about to go take a picture. Ah, Mom almost fell. Right here. Be careful.
Back there. I can't.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a picture right here. Look how beautiful, besties. Now, I see it now. Are those slaves? Oh my lord. Look at the water.
Now I can get the Marriott. It's a better picture.
The boys are taking pictures. Oh guys, look at the Marriott. It's a cylinder. So cool. Yeah.
They got them in that bag. Move out of the way. Back up. Oh, Lord.
They jamming.